The keto diet is popular because of its health benefits for reducing weight and controlling blood sugar. Ketogenic diet comes under the low carb and high fat diet chart, which includes foods that are low in carbs and high in fat, which help in treating certain types of cancer, Alzheimer's disease, etc. There are many nutritious fruits in the keto diet. Here are some of the best foods that inspire people to try the keto diet. Seafood. Fish and shellfish such as salmon and other types of fish are low in carbs but rich in B vitamins, potassium and selenium. Eating 1 to 2 seafood a day can supply the omega-3 fats we need daily. Meat. Fresh meat is rich in B vitamins and several important minerals. It contains enough protein for a person and helps build muscle mass on a low carb diet. Egg. Eggs come at the top of the keto diet because eggs are very good source of protein. One large egg has less than 1 gram of carbs and 6 grams of protein. Apart from this, egg yolk contains high cholesterol, which helps in reducing the risk of heart disease. Therefore, it is important to consume whole eggs. The antioxidants found in eggs also protect the health of the eyes. Cheese. Cheese is low in carbs and high in fat, but the saturated fat found in cheese does not increase the risk of heart disease. Cheese also contains CLA, which helps in reducing obesity. 28 grams of cheddar cheese provides 1 gram of carbs and 6 grams of protein and a good amount of calcium. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale and collard greens are excellent sources of vitamin K and iron. In addition, green leafy vegetables are low in carbs and are a good source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that make them a part of keto diet. Peppers. There are many varieties of peppers. They are usually fruits but are used as vegetables, which are great sources of vitamin C. We can make low carb dishes with bell peppers and poblanos. Avocados and olives. Avocados and olives are high fat fruits and contain fiber and are low in carbs. Olives have anti-inflammatory properties that protect cells from damage. In addition, eating 1 avocado per day has been shown to improve heart health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts and flaxseed are healthy nuts and seeds. They are high in fat and fiber and low in carbs. Daily intake may reduce the risk of heart disease, some cancers, depression and other chronic diseases. Berries. Varieties of berries contain varying amounts of carbs and fiber, such as raspberries and strawberries have low carbs and high fiber content. On the other hand, blackberries and blueberries are low in carbs than some other fruits. If you want to follow a strict keto diet, then you can avoid them. They are full of antioxidants that reduce inflammation and help protect against disease. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains high amounts of antioxidants. The flavonols found in dark chocolate, which contains at least 70% cocoa, reduce the risk of heart diseases and regulate blood pressure and protect the arteries. Following a keto diet can help you control blood sugar levels and lose weight. In addition, this low carbs and high fat diet provides you with a healthy lifestyle.